Hey, it's David, and I'm back to show you a few more things I found that this little amazing Google Home Mini can do for me if I get extra stuff. And one of the things I did was purchase some Wi-Fi plugins, and then I set them up with the plugin app, and then I had Google Home Mini look for that app and log into it, and then it transferred control to Google Home Mini, so I can control them on my phone with the original app, or I can control them with Google Home Mini just like this. Hey Google, turn off the lights in the dining room.
Sure, turning off the lights.
Hey Google, turn off living room lights. Hey Google, turn off living room lights.
Sure, turning the lights off.
Hey Google, turn on lights in dining room.
You got it, turning on the lights.
Hey Google, turn on living room lights.
Sure, turning on the lights.
Isn't that pretty cool? And if you have Chromecast on your TV, you could do something like this. Hey Google, play History Channel documentary on Ghost from YouTube on Living Room TV.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Oh, I'm sorry, I made that too long. Hey Google, play History Channel documentary from Ghost on YouTube on TV.
Sure, playing History Channel documentary from Ghost from YouTube on Living Room TV.
And then we'll just check and see if it did it. Oh, look, we're decorated for Valentine's Day in here. Oh, that looks ghostly. That looks mighty ghostly. There's Wesley. Okay, we'll go back in here. And we'll just ask, hey Google, what will the weather be in London tomorrow?
In London tomorrow, it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 45.
Hey Google, can you walk the dog?
On the website healthhabits.mercola.com, they say, many modern-day dogs don't get opportunities to do what their breed instincts tell them to do. In addition, it's a rare dog that exercises on his own, and your backyard doesn't provide the variety of sensory stimulation most dogs need to ward off boredom.
Hey,
dogs need walks for both exercise
hey Google,
and mental
that's enough. Wesley, I'm going to have to walk you on my own. Anyway, that was a few more things. I hope you liked that. And please subscribe for more. That's very, very important on YouTube now, as well as watching the videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.